Good morning class 8th chapter number 10 force and friction. Student, today we will discuss the chapter number 10 force and friction. First of all we will discuss the force. What do you mean by the force? In the previous classes you have learned also force is either a push or a pull. And what are the effect of the force we will discuss also. So force can make an object move, stop, change its direction or change its shape. And there are the various types of the force such as gravitational force, electrostatic force, magnetic force and frictional force exist in nature. So student, in this chapter we will discuss force, effect of force, friction, relationships between the force and pressure. So let us start now. What is a force? Student, a force is a push or pull or both. And student, you cannot see a force but you can feel and observe the effect of the force. So push, force means push or pull. Student, what do you mean by the push? A force is to move an object away from our bodies. What do you mean by the push? When you move an object away from your body, that is called push. So a force to move an object away from our bodies is called push. And what is a pull? A pull is when we apply a force to move an object towards your body. When you apply a force, move an object towards your body, that is called pull. So force is combination of push or pull. You can take example of the force playing a guitar, sawing wood, scrubbing the floor and drawing a boat. This is the example of the force. Now student, you can see when you pressing the switch, these are the example of the force. When you pressing the switch, launching the rocket, pushing trolley, knocking a nail, kicking a ball. These are the example of the force. You can see tug of war, pulling a book, everything needs a force. While tug of war, pulling a box, drawing back a bow, raising a flag and opening the door. Now you can see there are the many example of the force. So now we will discuss the effect of the force. Student, first of all student, it change the shape temporarily. For example, when you apply force with your hand, you can change the shape of the dough while making the chapati. You change the shape of the dough. This is the example of the change the shape of an object, and can change the shape of the permanently also, and change the speed of a moving object. Change the speed of the moving object. You can take example of when you apply a force, a direction opposite to the direction of the motion of the moving ball. You can change the speed of a moving object. You apply the large force, you can change the speed of the ball, and also you can decrease its speed or completely stop it while apply the force. Next है change the direction of a moving object. For example, in cricket, by applying a force, a batsman hits the ball and direct to its different direction. So it also change the direction of a moving object. You can take example of a cricket. When you playing cricket, when you hit the ball with the bat, and you can change its direction also, and also stop a moving object or make a stationary object moves. You can take example while you playing the football also. You can decrease its speed also. You can change the shape of the permanently also, temporarily also. So these are the effect of the force. You can move an object from its state of rest or increase the speed of a moving object. You can take example of by applying a force you can make a stationary ball move by pushing or kicking it. If you push it harder, the ball will move faster with a greater speed. So I hope you understand, student. We have discussed today the effect of the force also. So you can see, when you stretch a rubber band, after, what will happen? You can see it returns its original shape. When you press a sponge, what will happen? After, return its original shape. You can squeeze a spring, so you can, after the squeeze a spring, you can see the object that will return to its original shape and size after being squeezed, pressed, twisted and stretched. It is elastic. So these are the effect of the force. So I hope you understand, student. So today have discussed the force and effect of the force, and next video we will discuss the contact force and non contact force. Okay students, take care, bye.